Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a pair of pliers and a 4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. This water inlet valve is located at the back of the refrigerator at the bottom left corner. It's operated by the ice maker, filling it up on demand. If the ice maker is not making any ice and it's empty, or there's a puddle of water behind the fridge on the left, check the water inlet valve and replace it if needed. Here we are at the back of the fridge, and we're going to start from removing this water line from the ice maker supply tube. Using a pair of pliers, I'm going to squeeze this clamp here, and I'm going to pull out the tube. Now I'm going to push that tube down to free it. Now I'm going to remove the rear access panel as 1, 2, and 3 and 4 1/4-inch screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take them out one by one. And I'm going to pull it straight out. Alright, so that's the water valve that we're replacing, and we need to take out this single 1/4-inch screw. I'm going to peel the tape off and free the water line. Now we're going to disconnect this plug. I'm going to pull the plug, and now we can remove the valve. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, we're going to connect the plug to the new valve. All right, I'm going to bring it to the upper hole, and I'm going to secure it with the 1/4-inch screw. And now I'm going to secure the line at the bottom here. We're going to put it under the tape. You may have a you may have a clips. We don't, so we have a tape. Now I'm going to secure the water line under the tape. All right, now I'm going to insert that water line into the ice maker supply tube and push it up, and then I'm going to use the pliers and I'm going to squeeze the clamp, and then we're going to push it to the end. At this point, we're going to remove this safety cap. I'm using pliers, you can use your hands, and then we're going to connect the water inlet line to the water valve. Tighten the nut, and then after that we're going to install the rear access panel. I'm going to insert the bottom of this panel, the corners, in. And I'm going to match the holes and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.